Welcome, everyone. Have you ever looked into your medicine cabinet or under your bathroom sink and wondered why that one simple, translucent tub has remained a staple in households for over a century? It is likely that you have a jar of petroleum jelly tucked away somewhere, perhaps half forgotten behind more expensive, fancy-looking serums and creams. Today, I am going to tell you why that humble jar is actually the most powerful, versatile, and scientifically sound tool you can possibly own for your skin health. Many of you struggle with dry patches, irritation, or the constant search for the perfect moisturizer, spending your hard-earned money on products that promise the world but often leave your skin feeling just as parched as before. You are not alone in this struggle. Millions of people face the same daily battle against environmental stressors, harsh weather, and the natural loss of moisture that comes with aging. But what if I told you that the secret to radiant, protected skin is not hidden in a high-priced luxury bottle, but in a simple, medical-grade occlusive that has been trusted by dermatologists for generations? We are going to dive deep into the science of skin barrier protection, exploring how this classic remedy works to seal in hydration, soothe inflammation, and provide a protective shield against the outside world. Whether you are dealing with seasonal dryness, minor household mishaps, or simply looking for a way to lock in your skincare routine, you need to understand the mechanics of how this substance interacts with your skin. Stay with me as we uncover the hidden potential of this household essential, and I promise you will look at that little tub in a completely different light by the time we finish today. Body. Number 1. Treating minor cuts and burns. When you accidentally cut your finger in the kitchen or suffer a minor heat burn while cooking, your first instinct might be to reach for complex antiseptic ointments. However, the most effective way to manage these minor wounds is often the simplest. Once you have rinsed the area thoroughly with clean, running water and ensured it is free of debris, your primary goal should be to create an environment where the skin can heal itself without interference. Applying a thin, clean layer of petroleum jelly creates an airtight, protective barrier. This barrier is crucial because it prevents external bacteria, dust, and pollutants from entering the open wound, which is the primary cause of infection. Furthermore, by keeping the wound moist, you prevent the formation of a hard, itchy scab that can often lead to scarring. For burns, the cooling effect combined with the occlusive nature of the jelly helps to soothe the damaged epidermis and prevents blisters from popping prematurely. By keeping the skin supple, you allow the underlying tissue to regenerate more efficiently. Always remember to clean the area with mild soap and water first, as the jelly is meant to protect a clean wound, not to sterilize a dirty one. This simple, cost-effective method is a gold standard in basic first aid that every household should practice. Number 2. Soothing cracked lips and dry skin. Cracked, peeling lips are a common concern, especially during the dry winter months or in arid climates where the humidity is low. Many commercial lip balms contain fragrances or flavorings that can actually irritate sensitive skin further, leading to a cycle of constant reapplication. Petroleum jelly, being hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic in its pure form, provides a safe, inert layer that fills in the microscopic gaps in your skin surface. This prevents transepidermal water loss, which is the scientific term for the evaporation of moisture from your skin into the air. When you apply a layer before bed, you are essentially creating a seal that allows your skin's natural repair processes to work overnight. Because it is highly refined and safe for ingestion in small amounts, it is one of the few products you can safely use on your lips without worrying about harmful chemicals entering your system. If you suffer from chronic dryness, try applying a thin layer over slightly damp lips to lock in that extra hydration. You will notice a significant difference in the texture and softness of your lips within just a few days of consistent use. Number 3. Healing cracked heels and rough patches. We often neglect our feet until the skin becomes so dry that it cracks, causing pain and discomfort. Whether you are someone who wears high heels for long hours or you spend a lot of time on your feet, the pressure and friction can take a toll on the skin of your heels. While lotions provide temporary relief, they often evaporate quickly. The strategy here is to use a heavy-duty occlusive. After you shower or soak your feet, apply a generous amount of petroleum jelly to your heels. To maximize the benefit, wear a pair of clean cotton socks over your feet while you sleep. This creates a localized greenhouse effect, forcing the moisture into the thickened skin of your heels. Over time, this softens the calluses and prevents the painful fissures that often plague people during the summer months. It is a simple, inexpensive, and highly effective way to maintain foot health without needing expensive pedicures or specialized medical creams. Consistency is key here. By making this a part of your nightly routine, you will see a transformation in the texture of your skin that you previously thought was impossible. Number 4. Managing diaper rash and sensitive skin. For parents, seeing a child struggle with diaper rash is incredibly distressing. The constant exposure to moisture and irritants can quickly cause the skin to become red, inflamed, and painful. The secret to managing this effectively is to create a physical barrier that prevents the skin from coming into contact with moisture and waste. Petroleum jelly is the perfect candidate for this because it is completely inert and does not react with the skin. Unlike some medicated creams that might contain zinc or other active ingredients that can sometimes be drying, petroleum jelly simply sits on top of the skin, acting as a shield. Every time you change a diaper, ensure the skin is clean and dry, then apply a protective layer. This prevents the friction of the diaper from further irritating the delicate skin and stops the cycle of excoriation. It is a tried and tested method that has been used by parents for generations because it works without the risk of allergic reactions or skin sensitivity. It is truly a must-have in every nursery. Number 5. The art of slugging for anti-aging. You may have heard the term slugging circulating in the beauty community, and while it sounds unusual, the science behind it is quite sound. Slugging involves applying a thin layer of petroleum jelly over your entire face as the final step in your nighttime skincare routine. By doing this, you are sealing in all the serums and moisturizers you have applied underneath. This prevents water loss and ensures that your active ingredients, like hyaluronic acid or peptides, are pressed firmly into the skin rather than evaporating into the air. This technique is particularly beneficial for those with mature or dry skin, as it helps maintain a plump, hydrated appearance. While it does not directly stimulate collagen production, the intense hydration it provides helps to minimize the appearance of fine lines caused by dehydration. However, a word of caution. If you have naturally oily or acne-prone skin, you should be careful, as the occlusive nature of the jelly can trap oil and potentially clog pores. For those with dry or normal skin, however, it is a game changer. By waking up with skin that feels soft and supple, you are setting yourself up for a healthier complexion in the long run. As we wrap up our discussion, I want you to reflect on the simplicity of the solutions we have covered today. In a world where we are constantly bombarded with advertisements for the latest miracle skincare products, it is easy to overlook the classics that have stood the test of time. Petroleum jelly is not just a relic of the past, it is a scientifically backed, versatile tool that belongs in every home. Whether you are using it to protect a minor cut, soothe cracked heels, or incorporate it into your nightly skincare routine, you are utilizing a product that is safe, effective, and incredibly affordable. The most important takeaway is that skin health does not always require a complex, expensive regimen. Often, it requires consistency, protection, and the right approach to maintaining your skin's natural barrier. By understanding how to use these simple tools, you empower yourselves to take control of your health and well-being. I encourage you to look at your daily habits and see where you can simplify and optimize. You do not need to spend a fortune to achieve healthy, glowing skin. Sometimes, the best solution is the one that has been sitting right in front of you all along. Take care of your skin, stay consistent with your routines, and always prioritize the health of your body's largest organ. Thank you so much for joining me today. I truly hope that this deep dive into the benefits of petroleum jelly has been informative and helpful for you. If you found this information useful, I would be so grateful if you could share this video with your family and friends, as spreading knowledge is the best way to help those around us live healthier lives. Please do not forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update on our weekly educational content. By turning on the notification bell, you ensure that you are always the first to know when we upload new, science-backed advice. We are committed to providing you with the most accurate, professional, and easy-to-understand information to help you manage your skin health from the comfort of your own home. Remember, your skin is your body's first line of defense, and taking care of it is one of the best investments you can make in yourself. If you have any questions, or if there are specific topics you would like us to cover in future videos, please leave a comment below. We love hearing from you and we read every single one. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay informed. We are here to support you on your journey to better skin health, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Take care of yourselves, and keep glowing.